Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about Coinbase, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you find your Coinbase yearly activity report? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to check your yearly activity in Coinbase anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, sometimes your clients are going to ask you to send or receive crypto for payment. So you can check your yearly activity to see how much and when and what the strike price was. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Coinbase dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Coinbase, and this is the home screen. Here on the home screen, if you want to check your yearly activity on Coinbase, here on the top right, you're going to click on your initial. Once you do that, you'll see a drop-down menu, and you want to click on Manage Account in blue. Once you do that, you'll see these 5 options on the left, and you want to click on Tap. Once you click there, you'll see another 5 options here on the top, and you want to click on Activity. Okay, once you do that, you go ahead and click on this button here and choose the year that you want to check your yearly activity. So I'll choose this one right here. Okay, once you do that, you're going to see all of the yearly activity right down here. So you can just easily scroll through and check the activity. Now, if you want to split this activity up into other functions, you can click right here, any activity, and you can choose airdrop, if you bought, if you converted, if you deposited. So just choose one of these, and that way it's going to split up the yearly activity by that one function. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to check your yearly activity for your Coinbase account, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.